Who's got a set of resurrection eggs? That has been the question in our WhatsApp group this week. And I'm going to show you a very simple way where you can make your own. I download the pictures from my website, cut them out, number the eggs, and then put the pictures in storytelling order within the eggs. In Sunday school, I choose several children, one at a time, to come up and open an egg. This is when we talk about each part of the Easter story. Here I demonstrate storytelling using homemade resurrection eggs. You'll find some good storytelling tips if you watch this full tutorial. And then I give them the egg and I say, open up the egg. So they open up the egg and I say, oh, what's that? A donkey. How does a donkey have to do, or what does the donkey have to do with the Easter story? And then the kid goes, oh, Jesus rode in on a donkey. And I'm like, yeah, he did. There were people doing something else. What were they doing? Oh, they were waving palm branches. And then I say, well, what were they saying? And then we keep going on a little bit about that event. For younger kids, I would use less eggs and less pictures, less detail of the story. But for older kids, I would use more eggs and more pictures to get in more detail of the story. Have fun making your own resurrection eggs, and then you'll have them on hand year after year.